stepping into a Van Gogh painting. Imagine this, walking into a skywatching workshop. It's like stepping into a Van Gogh painting. Swirls of color, starry nights, and that magical feeling you get from up. You pick up your first telescope, and it's like holding a golden ticket to the stars. The cashier smiles, hands it over, and whispers, "Adventure awaits." Back home, the night sky unfurls like a canvas. You look through the telescope and bam! You're in a Pixar movie of your own where stars twinkle just for you. Every constellation, a storyline waiting to be discovered. Every planet, a character with its own tale. And you, the hero of your cosmic adventure. So grab your telescope from Skywatching Workshop and let your dreams take flight. Because the universe is your playground, Van Gogh meets Pixar telescope dreams. Ready to explore? Contact details of Skywatching, workshop call or WhatsApp 837-283-2097 or 8902080244 and visit our website.